Hey kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn the name of yummy fruits with a fun puzzle game. Are you ready to learn with me? So let's go! With this red color fruit pomegranate. It's a little bit difficult to speak, but you should try it. Speak with me. Pomegranate. Great job! It's a dark red color fruit. So many red juicy seeds inside. The next red color fruit is apple. Apple. Can you say with me? Apple. Great job, kids. Apple keeps our tummy happy and make us strong. They are good for our heart and help you stay healthy. Can you help me to find the red color fruit? Thank you, kids. We got it. It's a strawberry. Can you say with me strawberry? Great job. Strawberries help make your skin glow and keep you from getting sick. They are full of vitamins. Now we take some green fruit and first we take pear. Speak with me. Pear. Pear are green and yellow in color. Pear help your tummy feel good and are sweety and juicy. They keep you hydrated too. The next green fruit is grapes. Can you say with me grapes? Great job. Grapes are found purple, green or red color. Grapes are likely teeny energy ball. They help you stay active and are good for your eyes. And let's put it there. Next green fruit is watermelon. Watermelon is green from outside and red from inside. Watermelon is full of water to keep you cool and fresh. Let's put it right there. And next fruit we are going to take kiwi. Kiwi is brown from outside and green from inside. Can you speak with me, kiwi? Great job, kids. Kiwi is a very healthy and beneficial fruit for us. They keep our tummy healthy and help to fight cold. It is teeny but super healthy fruit. The next fruit we are going to take it's a banana. Can you speak with me banana? Banana. Very. Now we take it this banana puzzle piece there and move on our next fruit. It's a orange and color of this fruit is also orange. Can you say with me orange? Nice. Orange are full of vitamin C. They make us strong and keep away from getting sick. The next fruit we have a dragon fruit. Say everybody, dragon fruit. It's a white from inside with black seed and pink from outside. Dragon fruit help you stay healthy and strong. Let's put it there. And next fruit we take now, it's a pineapple. Everybody say pineapple. Great job, kids. It's a brown from outside and yellow from inside. Pineapple is sweet and help you digest food. It's a great for your skin. Let's put it pineapple here. And next we take blueberry. Everybody say with me blueberry. Blueberry are found in blue and purple color. Blueberries are teeny but super powerful. They help make your brain sharp and keep your eyes bright. Great for smart kids like you. Let's put it blueberry piece right there. And next we take blackberry. Blackberry color is dark purple and black. Blackberries are strong and healthy. They are full of vitamin and taste is yummy too. In India we known as jamun. Let's put aside this puzzle piece. Now is your turn, kids. Tell your parents which one is your favorite fruit among them. Now we put it all the puzzle piece back together in this puzzle. So let's start with apple, strawberry, pomegranate, pear, grapes, blackberry, watermelon, kiwi, orange, cherry, banana, blueberry, dragon fruit, pineapple. Wow, you learned so many colorful and healthy fruits today. Keep eating fruits, stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.